To fix Windows 11 battery drain after update, check battery usage. Click on Start, open Settings, select System, then scroll it down. Here you will see Power and Battery. Click on it. In this section, you will see battery usage. Simply click on it and you will see the usage of the battery. Scroll it down. You will see an option Battery Usage per App. There could be a possibility that you might find these apps Microsoft Edge, OneDrive, Widget, Microsoft Defender, Team, or any other app that consuming the battery. If you'll find any app in there, simply open the Task Manager from here and look for that app in Task Manager. Select it and click on End Task. Afterward, check if that help you to fix the issue. Next, you can try installing OEM drivers. You simply need to install graphic card driver, the chipset driver, and the Wi-Fi driver directly from manufacturer website. After installing all three of the drivers, simply click on Start and restart your PC. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Facebook or Instagram page. See you in the next video.